Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to set up fingerprint on Android. You will just open the phone settings on the Android device and you will scroll down to find a fingerprint and password. You will click on the fingerprint face password. So there is the fingerprint. You will just click to fingerprint to add a fingerprint. So it's for black for privacy. So you will see add a fingerprint one. You will just click it and put the thumb on this sensor. You will just complete the lines of the thumb. So please place your finger on the sensor so you can complete it, and you adjust the holding position. Continue and set the place of your finger and you will just complete it. So when it's completed, you will just click to done. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.